Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create glow text effect in CapCut apps. So for example, I'm going to open my project and there is a photo here, and I'm going to add text. Alright, check mark and resize, and to make it glow you can add style and can select glow and select glow type. For example, and scroll down, you can change for the glow color, change for intensity, range, and etc. Alright, click check mark. Here we go. So this is how you can create glowing text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.